If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy 4-minute hollow eye makeup with my Trio Effortless eyeshadow palette by Cinthia Cosmetics. I start off by putting the darkest shade of my palette on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyelid. After the orange shade, I'm going to apply it in the center and swipe the rest of what is on my brush in the crease. And again, with my first and darkest shade, I'm going to join my orange color in the crease of each sides. My lightest color of my Trio palette, I will use it to highlight the brow on the arch and slightly soften the outer corner with my dark shade. The 3 colors of my palette are applied, so I'm going to clean under, and now I'm going to put my shimmery gold pigments by Cinthia Cosmetics on my orange. I'm also going to add this shimmery shade in the upper and in the lower part of my inner eye. And this will give like a eyes pop bigger dimension. Now, I want to use my black contour eye pencil for the lower interior of my eye. And with a small flat definer brush, I will be matching the lower lash line with my lid by adding the darkest color from the outer corner and gradually a little bit less to my shimmery gold color. Joining the lower lash line with the lid, I will extend the line and make sure to fill in with the shade. I'm going to gradually apply my black eyeliner and my black mascara on my eyes, and you can do it like you wish, 1 quote or 2 quotes of mascara, or you can put extensions like fake lashes if you want, your choice. And after that, I'm going to clean once again under the eyes. And for my little and last secret, I will take the same brush as I put my shimmery on, and I will put a little bit of gold shimmer under the eyeliner in the corner of the outer corner of my eye. This will give a je ne sais pas quoi little extra that makes all the difference. So for more weekly videos, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ask me any further questions in the comments. And I hope you have a good day. See you soon.